During this pandemic, many things have affected, one of which is the decline in the income of street vendors. Starting this pandemic period, we will conduct a survey to street vendors. With the pandemic impact, is decrease in a person income in his trading business. The biggest problem from the impact of COVID-19 is that merchandise does not rotate, so some items can even expire. With a small income, someone should be able to overcome this loss.
Based on the research conducted by our group, we conclude the average monthly income of street vendors is 7,100 rupiah until 5 million rupiah. If you ask, why does this one respondent get 5 million rupiah per month? Because he already has a regular customer. From the decision signed by Ridwan Kamil on November 22, 2020, UMS salary for Bandung City has increased by 3.27% from 3,623,000 rupiah to 3,742,000 rupiah. This provision is officially implemented starting January 1st, 2021. Since the pandemic, the decrease in income earned is around 30 until 40%. This makes street vendors experience a downturn in the economy because they find it difficult to support their own lives with lower income than usual.
Government makes the policy about Perwal 37 of 2020. This regulation about health protocol for implementing adaptation of new habits in the context of preventing and controlling the spread of COVID-19. This Perwal discuss about 1. Ensure hygienic raw materials when and will be processed into the product reach the consumer. 2. The number of consumers who eating at the place maximum 3 people. 3. Everyone must use masker and use hand sanitizer. 4. Physical distancing about 2 or 3 meters. And 5. Use cashless like OVO or GoPay to avoid this coronavirus.
Based on the 50 respondents our group interview, their income decreased from 20% to 40%. All sellers feel a significant difference from before and during this pandemic, starting from changing hours they sell, raw materials reduction, then many ingredients don't run out, and because schools are closed due to this pandemic, sellers choose to go around instead of choosing to not sell at all. Strategy of street vendors during this pandemic is to reduce the number of goods produced and increase the price of merchandise, considering that some raw materials have increased in price. In addition, street vendors must pay attention to regulation made by the government, namely Peraturan Wali Kota 37 tahun 2020 regarding public facilities that cause potential crowd to be followed up.
Advice from our group in dealing with a pandemic period like this is where the street vendors cannot be sold normally like before the pandemic period, namely there is a limited time in selling. Street vendors can register their wares on GoFood or GrabFood so they can be more efficient in terms of time or money income. In addition, street vendors can be reduced the number of servings of merchandise every day because it is feared that a lot of merchandise will not be sold out and add to a bigger loss. And also during this pandemic, the advice from our group is for street vendors to continue to comply with the health protocols and selling times that have been determined by the government to avoid threats by Satpol PP.